Example 6, composing functions. If f of x is equal to x squared and g of x is equal to x minus 3, find the composite functions f composite g and g composite f. So the first example, we're going to find f composite g of x. Well, that means we need to find f of g of x. Well, what does g of x equal? Well, we know that it equals x minus 3. So now this becomes f of x minus 3. And then this becomes the input for x squared. So we end up getting x minus 3 squared. Number 2, we want to find g composite f of x. And that definition states g of f of x, which is equal to g of x squared, and x squared now becomes the input for g of x, so that becomes x squared minus 3. So again, let's highlight this. So we know that g of x represents x minus 3. So that becomes the input, and we plug it in for x to get x minus 3 squared. And likewise, we know that f of x is going to represent x squared, and that becomes the input for x into g of x to get x squared minus 3. Now let's make a note here. As you can see from this example that in general, f composite g does not equal g composite f. Remember that the notation f composite g means that the function g is applied first and then f is applied second. In this example, f composite g is the function that first subtracts 3, then squares. G composite f is the function that first squares and then subtracts 3.